Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn cash payments on Doordash deliveries. First thing first, to start receiving cash on delivery orders, you need to opt in to this feature in your Dasher app. Go to the delivery preferences section and toggle on cash on delivery orders. Once you have done that, you will start receiving these orders. Now, when you accept an order with a cash on delivery label, it means that you will be paid in cash when you deliver the order. After delivering, the customer will pay you directly in cash and you keep 100% of that payment along with the tips. DoorDash will automatically deduct the order amount from your next direct deposit. And don't worry, your cash tips are yours to keep and won't be deducted. Pro tip. Customers are asked to have the exact change ready, but we are recommended carrying about 10 to 15 in small bills just in case if needed. If you run into any issues collecting the cash, like the customer being short or unavailable, don't worry. You can tap issue collecting cash payment in the Dasher app and select an option. In those cases, DoorDash will still provide a base pay and your completion rating won't be affected. You can always contact support through the app if you need assistance. Lastly, if you ever feel unsafe during a delivery, you can use the Safe Dash feature to contact ADT or even 911 in the case of an emergency. That's all for today's tutorial. Like and subscribe for more helpful DoorDash tips and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions.